All right, so one of the steps that you can use after following, after following the first step in meditation is to basically visualize. So visualization is something that we've all heard of. It's very simple. So let's say you're a sports person. All you got to do is visualize yourself performing the best possible way that you can, right? So maybe you're an artist going to go up on stage for whatever arts that you're engaged in. All you got to do again with this process is visualize yourself doing the best that you can on stage. All right, so remember this, visualization, and visualization used in conjunction with another step that I will teach you, maybe say in the next video, is one of the very powerful means that anybody can implement in order to help train their mind achieve whatever it is that they want to achieve. Like I said, it could be confidence, it could be peace of mind, or whatever it is. All right, so again, until next time, I'll see you guys.